Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Today I'll be sharing with you guys this trendy style Pinafore top. You can wear it on your white shirt to bring out the uniqueness of the style. I'm using these small leftover pieces to achieve this style. Please subscribe, comment, and also give it a thumbs up. Kindly watch this video to the end to support my channel. Turn on the notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. Be the first to see it, to watch and learn from me. So if you're interested in this kind of style, so keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. It's a unique style that we are making. I'm using my leftover pieces to achieve the style. So let's get started now with our tutorial for the day, guys. I'm using my Duchess material to achieve this style, and it's a leftover one. You can also use your Ankara fabric to do that. So I'm just going to fold my material into two pieces. Then I will just go ahead now to take the length of my top that I'm making today. Don't forget it's a pinafore style. So I'm just going to measure 70 inch for my length of my top. Okay, so that's the 70 inch for the length of my top. So I'm going to cut it out for us to start measurement, that is the body measurement. So I'll just cut it out now, the small piece that we are going to use for our body measurement. So guys, it's a unique style that we are making today, so just stick around so that you can see the fitness of the style, because we are going to wear it out for you guys to see how the style is going to look like. Alright, so I'll measure my neckline, and I'm going by 3 inch for the neckline. So I'm going to bring the depth of my neckline also by 3 inch. So it's a round neck in the front, so I'll just give a curve for my round neck in front. Okay, so I'll measure my shoulder now by 7 inch. So I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. So that's the measurement of my shoulder. Okay, so I'll just slope it now by 1 inch. Then I'll give a curve. I'll use my ruler to curve it. That's for the shoulder measurement, that is the slope of my shoulder. So my bust, I'm going to go by 36 inch, then add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. So I'll just connect that my shoulder now, the lines. I'm going to measure my waist now by 28 inch, then I'll add 1 inch again for my stitching allowance. So I'll connect the lines together. Okay. So I'm still connecting the armhole now. Then the depth of my neckline, that is the back of the neckline, I'm going by 1 inch. I'm going to bring it down by 1 inch, the neckline. So after that, I'll just go ahead now to cut it out. So you can see that the style that we are making today is very simple to cut and sew on your own. All you need to do is for you to watch this particular tutorial, follow the procedure, so you are going to get your own. Alright, I'm so sorry guys, my camera have changed the color of my material. It's actually a unique color. I'm so sorry for that. So please can watch this particular tutorial down to the end so that you can see the color, also the unique color. So I'm done with my front piece now, so I'm going to cut my back piece. So I folded my fabric, so what I'll just do, I'll just take the front piece that we've just cut now. I'm going to lay it on the back piece, then I'll cut it out. It's a very simple one because we have already taken the measurement in the front, so I've just cut it out now. So guys, remember the style that we are making is a pinafore top. So give this video more watch time. You can also give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and learn from it, guys. Alright, so I'm still cutting the neckline now. Okay, guys, don't forget the style that we are making today is a pinafore style that we are making, pinafore top. You can also use your Ankara fabric to also achieve it. Mine is a Duchess material and is a leftover one, so if you have a leftover fabric at home, you can use it to just achieve the style that we are making. Okay, so I'm going to mark 1.5 inch from my shoulder. That's where I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so on my waistline I will just use my tape rule to measure what I have on my waist, okay, which is 9 inch. Then I will now divide it, the 9 inch, by 3 and get 3 inch. So that's what I will cut out. Okay, so guys, so you can see I'm connecting it now. So I will just connect that 3 inch to my 1.5 inch. So that's what I will have for my shoulder. Okay, so then I will just cut it out. So guys, if you don't understand this particular tutorial, you can watch it again and again so that you can able to cut and sew it on your own. After watching it, just follow the procedure that we are using to cut it out, and you're going to cut your own also. So you can see how it is now. Very unique style. So I'll just run a stitch on it, then iron it, then the top will be ready. So now it's going to have a belt. This particular belt is what is going to form the band. It's a long one. Okay, so I'll just go ahead now to mark the width, which is 2 inch. Alright, so after cutting it out, I'll also run a stitch on it, then I'll iron it before attaching it to the main top. Okay, so just keep on watching down to the end so that after watching it you can cut and sew your own by yourself. Like I said, you can also use your Ankara fabric to achieve the style that we are making. It's a very small pieces, so if you have a leftover pieces, don't throw it away. You can use it to just make this particular unique style, and you can wear it out on your jean, on your white shirt, so that the color and the uniqueness of the style, so that it will reflect on it. So this is how to go about it. Okay, so I will just notch the middle point and also notch the middle point of the belt. Okay, so that it will make it to be equal. Okay, so just notch the middle point and also notch your middle point of your belt before running your stitch on it. So that's what I'm showing you guys, so that everything will balance. So when tying it, it will not skew too much and to be firm. Okay, so we are going to wear it out now, guys, for you guys to see, but I have to show you guys so after stitching it. So this is what I have after running my stitch on it. I've ironed it out, so I'm just going to wear it out now for you guys to see the outcome now. So this is what I have now after cutting and stitching it together. My pinafore top came out lovely. You can see that the style is very easy to cut and sew by yourself. So if you don't understand it, just watch it again so that you'll be able to cut and sew it by yourself. That is the essence of making this particular tutorial. Alright, please subscribe, like and comment. Give this video more watch time to support my channel. Please give me more views to support my growth on YouTube, guys. I really want this channel to grow. Please keep on supporting us. Thank you for watching.